Have you ever felt like joint pain is holding you back from living your best life? Nirujam Joint Care is here to change that. With over 40 powerful herbal Ayurvedic ingredients, this massage oil is designed to soothe joint pain, stiffness, and discomfort naturally. Inspired by ancient Ayurvedic texts, Nirujam's unique formula works to balance vata, the root cause of joint-related issues. It's not just about relieving pain, it's about promoting overall well-being and youthful, healthy skin. Daily massages with Nirujam Joint Care help ease back, neck, and muscle pain while leaving your skin moisturized and refreshed. And the best part? It's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Thousands of satisfied customers have experienced the transformative power of Nirujam. Whether you're a busy professional dealing with posture-related stiffness or a parent looking to ease your loved one's discomfort, Nirujam is the perfect solution. Try Nirujam Joint Care today and rediscover the joy of pain-free movement. With a 10-day money-back guarantee, there's nothing to lose, only comfort and relief to gain. Massage away the pain, naturally. Nirujam Joint Care, your path to a pain-free